morning. I'm currently on my way to the Comic Relief Danceathon at Wembley Arena. I'm in the car with these loons. Give us a wave. Yeah. Woohoo! I'm just being dropped off at the train station. The danceathon is 12 till 6, so it's 6 hours of dancing, including dances such as swag and bashment. What the hell? I'm just mainly excited about the musical half hour. I'm off to meet my sister and a few other bloggers. I've raised well over £400 so far, but if you'd like to donate, the link is below. So enjoy what happened at this year's Comic Relief Danceathon. Bye! Say bye, guys!
How we doing, Wembley? Sexy or what? Go, go, go. Easy. Take your time. It doesn't matter if you keep going.